guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Happy New Year everyone. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. And if you are new here, this is Nana's Food World. We do yummy recipes, and so you are welcome. And let's have a go today. What we are doing today is cheesecake, and it's Oreo cheesecake. We love Oreos, so we're trying to make cheesecake with Oreo biscuits. So I have some biscuits here. Okay, this is about 24 biscuits, and I'm going to bash it and make sure it's really smooth before I use that. So let's get started. So guys, we've mashed it enough, so we are pouring it into a bowl. Okay, so this is our biscuit, and what we're going to do is to pour some butter. This is melted butter. Okay, I'll put all the measurement down below. So I'll pour that into it and just mix it. Alright guys, so we pour our mixture into our tin and we are going to flatten it out. Okay. If you want a small portion, I'm doing a very big portion, so if you want a small portion, you can just half the measurements. Right guys, so you flatten these out. So as I'm trying to flatten it out, okay, you can use anything to do it. So guys, this is our topping. We are using a whipping cream and cream cheese. So with the whipping cream, I bought this in Asda. You can get it in a shop. So I'm going to just whisk this whipping cream until it's nice and fluffy. Guys, so this is the consistency that we need. It's nice, thick, as you can see, and fluffy. Okay, so that's the consistency we need. So guys, this is our cream cheese. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to add this is icing sugar to it. Okay, and then we add a bit of vanilla extract. Just about 1 teaspoon. And then we are going to just whisk this until it's nice. Right guys, as you can see here, our cream cheese is nice and fluffy. So what we are going to add it onto our whipped cream mixture, and then our cheesecake will be done. Right guys, so we put our cream cheese into the mixture. And then we are going to just whisk it again. Mix it nicely. So guys, before we add it onto our base here, we want to add a bit of Oreos that we've really crushed. So I'm going to add a bit into it and just fold it in. Oh, it smells really good. Just add a bit more. It's nicely done. So guys, we really spoon our mixture onto our base. We just spread it afterwards. Just put everything in. If this is too much for you, you can just have the ingredients. So guys, as you can see here, I have really flattened up my cheesecake. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to just add more Oreos, okay, on top. We just love Oreos and it makes it much more nicer. Just spread it along. You can add more if you prefer. Really, that's our Oreo cheesecake. So what we are going to do now is to put it in the fridge for about 4 hours to set, and then we can have it for our dessert. Right guys, so this is our cheesecake. I've taken it out from the fridge. It's been in the fridge. You can put it overnight, or you can put it in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours for it to set. So yeah, this is the moment of truth. I'm just taking it out of the pan. Yeah, so that's beautiful. Taking it out of the pan, so I'm going to put it right on the plate and then you will cut it. Right guys, so I just want to take this out of the bottom bit of the pan. Just place this on the plate. Okay, that's our cheesecake. Lovely. So we are going to cut it. So guys, this is our cheesecake. So I'm just cutting a piece. Wow, just a small piece for this. Okay, so just want to pick this up. Okay, you see a slice of our cheesecake. You can see the bottom bit, just Oreos, and really it tastes yummy. So just have a taste. Guys, this is really lovely. Please try this recipe and please put on your post notification, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you put on your post notification so when I put up a new video you'll be notified. Happy New Year to everyone. Start your new year with a cheesecake. It's lovely and you never regret it. Happy New Year. Bye.